Hello, may I audible? May I audible? Amruta Togre, may I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Is it TY class? Apurva Kadam.
Yes, sir.
Is it TY second semester?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Okay, good afternoon, all of you. Okay, screen is visible. Okay, we start. This is third year, second semester. Welcome to all of you. In this semester, I will teach the subject. The name of subject is mobile application development. Already you got the timetable. Okay, first I'll give my introduction. I am Ganesh Patil. Right now I am working as the assistant professor in computer science and engineering department. My qualification is right now I am pursuing PhD and I have completed my ME and BE. I have total 11 years of experience. Still now I have taught number of subjects like DIS, ICS, Computer Network, DCOM, okay, many more. Okay, already you know our vision and mission. Already you studied in the last lectures related to your CC also mentioned the vision and mission, our departments and institute. Already all of you know. So all of you know the program execution objective. This is the POs. We have total 4 POs. Also, already you know we have the total 12 POs, program outcomes. Also, you know about the PSOs, program specific outcomes. Okay, we start our subject. The name of subject is the mobile application development. Already you know the mobile. Right now, the maximum students are using the mobile. We know in the pandemic situation, okay, your online lectures are going on and you are listening your lecture through mobile or computer device or laptop. Okay, this subject have teaching scheme is per week 2 hours lecture and per week 2 hours practical. Okay, in the examination scheme, this subject don't have end semester examination. Okay, only this subject have the ISC 25 marks, ICA 25 marks, and POE means practical oral examination 50 marks. Means this subject have the total 100 marks. Okay, I will repeat once again. This subject don't have 8 semester examination like your 70 marks. Okay, this subject don't have the university exam. Only this subject have the ISC 25 marks, ICA means your term work 25 marks, and practical oral examination 50 marks. Okay, this is the mobile application development. Per week, you have the 2 hours lecture and 2 hours practical. This subject is related to practical oriented subject. That's why university doesn't give the written examination like your end semester examination. This subject don't have end semester examination. Means all 100 marks are in our hand. Means our student hand. Okay. Next, this subject have total 8 units. The first section have the 4 units and second section have the 4 units. The first unit, the first section, this is a mobile application development for Android using Java and Kotlin. Already you heard about the Java language. I think in the last semester you studied the Java language. Yeah. In which semester
Yes.
you have Java in last semester? Correct. Okay, already you know the Android right now. Every mobile have the Android operating system. You open the Play Store and you download the apps. Okay, with the help of this Android operating system. The first unit, name of unit is the user interface design. For the completion of this unit, the university has given the 4 hours. The syllabus are activity, activity state, activity life cycle, user interface resources, layout resources, string resources, image resources, UI element and events, interaction between activities, exchanging data among activity, fragments, life cycle of fragments, interaction between fragments. See, you heard about this UI, user interface. Okay, at the time of developing any software, first we require the user interface. See, right now in your mobile, you saw the Facebook, WhatsApp. Okay, you saw these things. You saw the drop-down list, any button, any text box. This is called as UI, user interface. And for example, in the Facebook, you return the username and password. After entering the username and password, you click on the login button or sign in button. Okay, after clicking on the sign in button, automatically this web page is go to the home page. How this happen? Because of this username and password in the back end, they will check the username and password is correct or not. Same thing, UI means right now you saw the all these thing in the computer. This is the UI part. And backend of this UI means backend of this sign in button. We have the programming language. Backend of the test. For example, you return the username. Okay. In the test, backend of this test, we return the programming language. Means in the software have the 2 parts, front end and back end. This front end is called as user interface and back end is called as coding. Okay, you are doing the coding in the Java language, C++, Java, .NET, Python. Okay, these languages are you are using. Okay, for the backend. The second unit is the mobile application functionality. The university have given the 4 hours for completion of this chapter. The syllabus are beyond UI, app functionality, beyond user interface, threads, asynchronous task, services, states and lifecycle, intent and bound service, notification, intent and intents resolution, broadcast receivers, telephony and SMS APIs. The third unit is related to native data handling. Okay, university have given the 4 hours for completion of this unit. The syllabus are native data handling, on-device file input-output, data persistence and access using shared preferences, mobile databases such as SQLite and implementation for CRUD and enterprise data access via internet and intranet. Okay, you heard about this SQL. I think last semester you have the subject database engineering, correct? Anybody? You have subject database engineering you studied? Hello? All are listening or all are sleeping? You studied database engineering in the last semester?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, miss. Okay. Okay, in the database engineering, you studied, you know, the SQL language and related to how to get the data, post the data, put the data, how to delete the data from the table. You heard about this. This is related to CRUD. CRUD means create, okay, read, update, and delete. Okay, why this SQL is required in the mobile application development? Because in the app, in the backend, we have the database. Okay, you have stored the username and password in the table. For that, we require the database. For example, related to student information. Okay, some students has developed one app, Android app. This app is related to student database. This all database are stored in the tables. In the backend, have the database. In the table, we have the roll number, name of the student, subject. Okay, every subject have the different table or columns like ICA, POE mark, university mark. Okay, means for that we require the database. Here also we require this SQL. Okay, with help of this CRUD, we apply this file the query on the database and will return the data from database. For example, I want the information of roll number 5. This is the TYA division. Then I will write the query, select star from dash dash dash. Then automatically I got the reply. Okay, this is the name of the student, roll number, class, division, like that. Next, unit number 4 is the testing and distribution of mobile apps. For this unit, the university has given the 2 hours. The syllabus are debugging mobile apps, white box testing, black box testing, and unit testing for Android, versioning, signing, and packaging mobile apps, distributing apps on mobile marketplace and Google Play Store. Already you know all the mobile apps are available on the Android mobile. Okay, we can download these apps through Play Store. Okay, but this in that unit, in the chapter they have mentioned the testing. Why testing is required? Anybody? Is the white box testing, black box testing? You heard about the testing? Okay, during the development of this any app, any Android app, why testing is required? Anyone? Why testing is required? See, developer develop the application. After that, this application is goes to the tester side and tester test this application. At the time of testing, the tester have the requirements. They will check the one by one requirement and apply on all this requirement on the application, developed application. If the tester got any defect, then there is this defect and they call to the developer, see this button is not working, or after clicking on the signing button, the button is not working. Okay, this is the tester part. That's why tester is very important in this software development. This is the section first. They have the total 4 units. We'll move to the section second. In the second section, have the cross platform mobile application development using Xamarin. Okay. See, the first section is related to mobile application development for Android. Okay. Here we will develop the Android app using the Java language, and in second section we will using the cross platform. Okay, here we replace this Android operating system with the help of cross platform mobile application development using Xamarin. Xamarin is the one of the platform. They replace the Android platform with Xamarin. Okay, in the second section, we have the total 4 units, unit number 5, 6, 7, and 8. The fifth unit is related to C# programming guides. This is the next language. Programming language is the after Java. We study the C# programming guides. Okay, I think the C#. I think in the BE first sem, the last year first semester, you have the separate say subject. This is C# programming language. In that unit, the syllabus are inside a C# program, main and command line arguments, statement, expression, and operators, types, classes, and struct interfaces. These all are related to Java. So in the Java, you have studied the interface, inheritance, polymorphism. Okay, delegates, array, string, properties, indexer, event, generics, iterators, namespaces, assemblies in .NET, attributes, collections, exception and exception handling, multi-threading. Okay, this is the unit number 5, C# programming. Unit number 6, getting started with Xamarin. Okay, Xamarin is the one of the platform. With the help of this platform, we'll develop the mobile application. The university have given the 4 hours to complete this unit. The syllabus are introduction, native cross platform application with Xamarin, Hello, MVVM, creating a simple cross platform app using MVVM. What is MVVM? Is the model view, model design pattern. Hello again. Understanding and enhancing our simple MVVM app, and introduction to multi-threading for Xamarin apps. The next unit is the unit number 7 is the building apps. For this unit, the university has given the 6 hours. The syllabus are designing MVVM cross-platform apps, building cross-platform models, building cross-platform view models, building simple Android views, building more advanced Android views, building simple iOS views, building more advanced iOS views. What is iOS? You know Apple Mobile? Please give the reply. You give the reply in the chat box. Okay, there is no problem. Because you know Apple Mobile. You have Apple Mobile. You heard about Apple. Apple is the one company. Yes. Okay. For this mobile, which operating system is this mobile have? Apple company have the Apple Mobile. Which operating system are using? Operating system. Apple Mobile have dash operating system. Which operating system? Anybody? Correct. Okay. iOS means iPhone operating system. Okay. And right now we're using the Samsung, Redmi, Realme. This mobile have which operating system? Android, correct. Means right now we're using the Realme, Redmi, Samsung mobiles. Okay, this mobile have the Android operating system, and this Apple have the separate operating system. The name of operating system is the iOS. This is the iPhone operating system. Okay, good answer. Next, unit number 8, from working code to the store. This unit, university have given the 2 hours. The syllabus are running mobile apps on physical devices, testing mobile apps using Xamarin UI test, using App Center to build, test, and monitor apps, and deploying app to beta tester and the stores. Okay, this is our syllabus. We have total 8 units. First section have the 4 units. Second section have the 4 units. Okay, the textbooks and reference books are there are 3 textbooks. First is the Android application development, all-in-one for means Barry Bird. Second textbook is mobile apps development, Anubhav Pradhan, Anil V. Deshpande. Third textbook is Xamarin in Action, creating native cross-platform mobile apps by Jim Bennett, Manning publication, first edition. These are the total 3 textbooks. We have the total 2 reference books. First is the Android Developer Tools, Essential by Mike Wolfson. And second book is the Embedded Android Porting, Extending and Customizing. The author name is the Karim Yogmore. Okay, this there are total 3 textbooks and 2 reference books. Next is the mobile application development. Why this subject has given this name mobile application development? We see about title of the subject. Okay, already you know mobile is the portable device. We move anywhere. Yes. First is the mobile. What is the mobile? Is the portable telephone that can make and receive calls over a radio frequency link while the user is moving within a telephone service area. Okay, see, for example, you saw on the pharmacy terrace have the Airtel Jio mobile tower. Okay, the range is the 5 kilometer, 10 kilometers. Means within this range, we can wander here and there. Then we can easily make the call or receive the call. Okay, I mean mobile is the portable device. Anywhere we can keep the mobile and you can travel from one place to another place. Second is the application. Application, the action of putting something into operation. See, we say right now in the company they can develop the banking application. Okay, means application means we can put the some operations. For example, in the banking, we can make the payments. Okay, for example, we made the NEFT, RTGS, IMPS, or recently we are using the UPI payments. Means we can apply some operation on the application. This is called as application. Next is the development. Okay, the process of developing or being developed. See. Right now I will say, okay, you will develop the some software. Then right now your process is the process of developing is going on. Or in the last year, some students have developed some application. Okay, means being developed or developing is going on. Okay, these are 2 things are under in the development. This is the mobile application development. Okay. What is the mobile application development? The mobile app development is the act or process by which a mobile app is developed for mobile devices. Why this mobile app is required for mobile devices? See, everybody have the mobile. You are using the WhatsApp, Facebook. These are the app. Okay, for Phone Pay, Google Pay. This also we can say this is called a mobile app. This mobile app is required for the mobile devices such as personal digital assistant. You know, Google have the assistant. Okay, enterprise digital assistant or mobile phones. This is called as mobile application development. Everybody have the mobile. Every mobile have the apps. We can download or install the apps from Play Store. This is the about title of the subject. Next, course outcome. At the end of this course, students will be able to, we have the total 5 course outcomes. The first course outcome is understand mobile app development aspect services. Second, CO is demonstrate new application to handle devices with capabilities as communication, computing, etc. Third course outcome is analyze testing, signing, packaging, and distribution of mobile apps. Fourth is the develop simple programming on C# language. And fifth CO is the develop mobile application using cross-platform mobile application development using Xamarin. Okay. This subject is divided into 2 parts. The main motto of this subject is you will develop the mobile application, mobile app. Okay, you can develop the mobile app with the help of this Android using Java language. Otherwise, you will develop the mobile app using the cross-platform using Xamarin. It's also another platform. Okay, you will develop the with the help of this first session or second session have the different. Okay, in the first section you will develop the mobile app with the help of the Android using the Java language. Okay, and the second section they replace the Android with cross-platform. In the second section you will develop the mobile app using the cross-platform using Xamarin. Okay. Another things already I told you this mobile application development every week you have the 2 hours lecture and 2 hours practical. And this examination scheme, this subject don't have university examination. Okay, this subject have only ISC 25 marks, ICM is term mode 25 marks, and POM is practical oral examination, this is external 50 marks. Total 100 marks. Okay, this subject don't have university examination. Okay, all are listening, or from my side only I am speaking? Yes, all of you listening, or your end you are sleeping? Both the division you are listening. You the reply in the chat box. All are listening. 3, 4, only 4 students. Okay. Okay, today we'll take the overview why this mobile application development, this subject is introduced. Okay, in the syllabus. Okay, we'll take the overview. Already, this overview already you know. Maximum students have know these things. First is screen is visible. Yes, anybody could reply? Okay, yeah. First is the mobile operating system. Right now, I don't know how many students have the Apple or another mobile. Okay, the mobile operating system have the different operating system. First is the Palm, Android, BlackBerry, iOS, Windows Phone, Bada, Symbian operating system, Wave OS, and Harmony OS. Okay, out of that operating system, the Apple mobile have the see in the below diagram. Apple mobile have the iOS operating system. iOS means iPhone operating system. Apart from this, Apple mobile, the Samsung, Redmi, Realme, this mobile have the Android operating system. Next is the HTC. You heard about this HTC mobile. This HTC mobile have the Windows Phone 7 operating system. I think Nokia have also Windows operating system. I'm correct or wrong? I don't know. What about Nokia? Okay, I don't know. Nokia have the Windows or another operating system. Next is the BlackBerry. This is the one of the company. They have the BlackBerry mobile have this his own operating system, BlackBerry operating system. Okay, you keep your mind. Apple have the iOS operating system, iPhone operating system. Apple mobile have the iOS operating system, and apart from this, Apple, the Samsung, Redmi, Realme. Okay, this mobile have the Android operating system. Means right now the maximum student have the Samsung, Redmi, Realme. Means maximum student have the Android operating system in his own mobile. Okay, this is the mobile operating system types. Okay, next is the division A, roll number 9. You saw the second page. SDLC, software development life cycle. Yes. Hello. Roll number A division, roll number 9. You saw the second page. SDLC.
No, sir, your screen is stuck.
Yes, sir.
You saw this software development life cycle page,
No, sir, only first page.
first page. You saw this page, mobile operating systems. Hello.
Yes, sir.
You saw this page, software development life cycle.
No, sir.
Huh? All of you see, you saw right now which page you saw? You read the content. Wait. Okay, you saw this mobile application development overview page. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Mobile operating system page.
No,
Sec-
sir. First
Second,
page is visible.
right now you saw which page?
First one, mobile application development overview. Yes, sir. Now it is visible at the end.
Wait. Right now, it's visible.
Yes, the second page is visible.
Yeah, it's visible. Mobile operating system.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Already I told you we have the n number of mobile operating systems: Android, BlackBerry, iOS, Windows Phone. Okay, Bada, Symbian operating system, Wave operating system, Harmony operating system. Okay, out of that, you heard about only two operating system, Android and iOS. This iOS is related to iPhone. You can say the Apple mobile have the iOS operating system. iOS means iPhone operating system, and apart from this, Apple mobile, the Samsung, Redmi, Realme, these mobile have the Android operating system. Okay, next is the software development lifecycle SDLC. You saw this page? Let me see. Let me see this circle.
Yes, sir.
Let me see. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. All of you listen carefully. This is very important. Okay, in your future, you do the career in the development or testing. Okay, this circle is very important. The name of this circle is the SDLC, Software Development Life Cycle. Okay, see, for example, I am the to the communication with anybody. See, my question is the X and Y. Okay, we take the example of the X and Y. The X is the company owner and Y is the client. Okay, this Y client want to develop some software. Okay, and they this Y they approach to X. X is the company owner. Okay, they say to the X, okay, I want this application. Then first thing, what to do? This X is the company owner. They take the requirement from the Y. Means the company owner take the requirement from the client. What type of software you want? What is the UI? Okay, how many databases are you required? How many buttons you are required? How many pages you want? Okay, all this requirement, the company owner take this requirement from the client. Correct? This is the first requirement. We'll take the requirement. See, for example, you want to develop one mobile app. Then first thing is the you finalize the requirement. Which type of app you required in that app? How many pages you want? Okay, every pages you want this that button, color of the page. Okay, these are the requirement. First, you can take the requirement and analysis. We do the analysis. We do the optimization on that requirement. Means first thing, the company owner they take the requirement from the client. Okay, then they can define this all the requirements. They can collect all the requirements. Then they can design the software. Designing means UI part, user interface. For example, this first page, they require the username and password and sign in button. The second page, they want to student information. The third page, they want to fund transfer. Okay, all this designing part on that page. For example, see, this is the one page. This page have the total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, this is 7 buttons. This page have, every button have the name, requirement analysis, defining, designing, coding, testing, deployment, and in the middle they have the software development lifecycle. Okay, this is called as UI. For example, this maintenance, you see this maintenance means users see this thing. This is called as UI. See, you saw this mobile right now. You are listening our lecture with help of this Zoom meeting. You saw this, all these things, participant, you saw the screen. This is called a UI. And back end of this UI, we have the coding. This is called as coding part. Means first, the company owner, they take the requirement from the client or customer. Second is, okay, they can define the requirements, they can analyze the requirement. Third is, they can design the user interface. And fourth is, after completing of the user interface, they will start the development. Development means coding part. Developers start the coding. Correct? After that, after developing is over, they give this application, give this software for testing. Once the testing has completed, they can deploy the product. Okay, deploy the product means we see on the Play Store, we saw the PhonePe, Google Pay app. This is called a deployment. And after 1 week, 2 week, you got the update of the PhonePe, Google Pay. This is called a maintenance part. Every week or every 1 month, we got the updation of this particular app. This is related to maintenance. Or if customer want to some changes in the existing app, is all the part in under in the maintenance. Means see, this is called as software development life cycle. In the future, in the IT, okay, these IT companies are depend on this software development life cycle. Okay, first they take the requirement from the customer. First is they can design the UI. Next is developer start the coding, and tester test on that application, and finally this application is on the internet with help of this Play Store or web browser. It's called as software development lifecycle. All of you understood? If you have any question. All of you understood? See, the next is the this logo is related to Android. You saw this Android operating system. Okay, in the Android app development, at the time of developing the Android app, okay, we follow this requirement. First step is the, we'll take the requirement. Second step is the design the UI. Third is the start the coding. Coding is development. After that, we'll do the testing, and after completion of the testing, we can deploy the software or deploy this mobile app on Play Store. And customer side, they can open the Play Store and download your mobile app. It's called as software development lifecycle. Okay, this is the Android. Okay, in future you want to develop some mobile application. First, you take the requirement from the customer. You can design the requirement, you can develop the UI part. Next, you start the coding part. After the developed Android app, you do the testing, and after the testing part, you can launch your mobile app on Play Store. This is called a deployment. What it? All of you listening, if you have any question. See, this is the two-way communication. You either reply, yes, sir, we understood, or see, all of you understood? Do you have any question? Yes? See, this subject don't have university examination, but this subject have the external examination. POE have the 50 marks. Okay, at the end of this semester, you have only one work. This work is related to, okay, you develop one mobile app. Okay, per group maximum 4 member. Okay, I repeat once again. Okay, this TY and B division. So at the time of submission, I want one mobile app. This is one Android mobile app. You develop one Android mobile app. During the submission, I will see your mobile application, mobile app. Okay, you will develop this mobile app in the group or individual. This is your part. Okay, you will form the group. Then in your group have maximum 4 members. See, in your group have the maximum 4 members, minimum 1 member. This is your hand, hand. Okay, you form your group. Okay, in that group you take maximum 4 members, not more than, or minimum 1 member, 2 member, 3 member, depend on you or your colleague or your friend. But in your group have maximum 4 members, minimum 3, 2, 1. Okay, and at the end of this semester, at the time of submission, you show me the mobile app. You develop one mobile app. Okay, this is only one task, you do it. Yes? Yes, all of you understood? You form one group. The total member of the group, maximum 4. At the end of this semester, at the time of submission, you show me the mobile app. This is your subject. This is your practical, whatever may be. Okay, during this semester, you develop only one app. Okay, you start from today or tomorrow. This is your hand. But you show me the one mobile app at the time of submission. Then I will give the mark of IC, and POE. Got it? In your group have maximum 4 members, not more than 4. Yes, understood? B division, roll number 18. Yes, B division, roll number 18. You are listening? B division, roll number 18. You are present? Roll number 18, A division. 18. A division, roll number 18. Means you are absent. Roll number 32, E division.
Yes, sir.
What I said? Roll number 32, E division. At the time of submission, I want one mobile app. Okay. You form one group. The maximum member in the particular group have the 4 members. Understood? Roll number 32, E division.
Yes, sir.
Okay. B division, roll number 2.
Yes, sir.
You're listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Miss, all are listening. Next slide is related to mobile application development platform. See, in our syllabus have the 2 platform. First is the Android, and second is the Xamarin. Apart from this, all of you see this page, mobile application development platform. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In our syllabus have only only 2 platform. One is the Android and second is the Xamarin. Apart from this, the another platform is the Kony, Adobe AIR, okay, Sencha Touch, PhoneGap, App Accelerator, okay, this iOS, Windows, BlackBerry, HTML5, Symbian, Bada, WebOS, macOS desktop, and Tizen. Okay, these are the mobile application platforms. Out of these, in our syllabus have only 2 platforms. First is the Android, this is the first section, and second is Xamarin, this is the second section. Next is you saw this page, programming languages for mobile app developers. All of you saw this page?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. During the development of any application, you require the programming language. Okay. At the time of developing the mobile application, you require the language. First is the Python, Java, R programming, take Plafo, Rails, JavaScript, Go, Swift programming, R language, and Scala. These are the programming language. With help of this programming language, okay, you develop your mobile app. But my suggestion is you use the Java or Python. Okay, depend on your say. Okay, this is your hand. Okay, you use the Java language, C# language, Python, Scala, JavaScript. But I want mobile application. At the time of submission, you show me the mobile application. This is your task during the semester. During the semester, you do only one work on our subject. Our subject name is the mobile application development. Throughout the semester, you do only one practical. You develop one mobile application with the help of Java language, Python, C#, R language, JavaScript. Okay. You take only one language and you will develop the mobile application. This is only one task you do during the semester. You develop only one application. Okay, you form one group. One group have maximum 4 members. I have repeated many times. Okay, last page is the Android developer mini roadmap. Let me see this page. This is the last page. We'll wind up our lecture. All of you see this page, Android?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see. How you develop the app? The first is you take the requirement. See, for example, roll number 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4 member in the single group. Okay. For example, division A, the first roll number 1, 2, 3, 4. They form one group. This group want to develop one mobile application. They want to develop one mobile Android app. Then first you will think, you search on the internet, and in your mind you have the idea. Then you take the idea. We'll develop this app on, for example, on student. Then you can take the requirements. Okay, what type of requirements you have. For example, I want to develop related to student attendance, student marks. Okay, I want to click on particular button and I want to receive the bona fide certificates. These are the requirement. You take the requirements. First, you can take the requirement, write down this requirement on the single page or on the your notepad or Word file. First, you take the requirements. You can design the UI. See, on this I want to left side I want to this button, right side I want to this button, in middle I want this two table, in that first table I want to 10 rows 10 column, second table I want to 4 rows 4 columns. Okay, and finally I want to click on the submit button. I require the submit button. The color of the submit button is red, blue, what it may be. These are the designing part. First you gather the information. After that, you do the designing part. After completion of the designing, you start the coding with the help of the Java. See, here is the, I have mentioned the Java core language. Okay, for this Java language, you require some concept like Java syntax, hoops concept. You know the inheritance, polymorphism. Okay. Okay, these are the concept, and Java collection, exception handling, input and output streams, and Java multi-threading. Okay, you know the some programming language for developing the particular application, correct? And related to Android, see the below side, Android. Okay, you want to develop one Android app. Okay, for that you require the Android Studio. This is the platform. Okay, you can download and install the Android Studio on your laptop or your computer. For that also we require the Android Software Development Kit, SDK. These two things you require. Means, see, for the development of the Android app, first we require the Android Studio. Second, you require the Java programming language or JDK, or okay, you develop in the Eclipse, whatever may be. Next, in the Android, at the time of installing and at the time of using this Android suite, Android Studio, okay, you see the MVVM, okay, clean architecture, shared preferences, Android NDK, SQL. Already you know that in database we use the SQL. Next, in the right side, you design the part, UI designing. UI means user interface, layouts, activity lifecycle, fragments, dialog, UI, views, recycle view. Okay, these are the related to Android. Okay, you read it. Means during the development of the Android app, we require the Android Studio. Okay, you design the UI part, and in the back end, okay, depend on you, you can use the Java language or Python or JavaScript or C#. Okay, depend on you. Okay, this is your choice. You can use the Java, Python, C#. Okay, back end you can use this language, and the front end you require the Android Studio. You download and install the Android Studio on your laptop. First thing, you take the requirements, you can analyze the requirement, you develop the UI part, and you can start the coding. After the coding, after the developed your Android app, you do the testing. You will check this particular button is working or not. If you have enter the correct username and password, you click on the sign in button. Is sign in button is working or not? Okay, you check all these things in the testing. After that, in the testing library, we use the JUnit and PowerMock. Okay, for this run the particular app, we require this Java unit. This is one type of the framework or one type of the library. And I think you heard about the Git and GitHub. You heard about Git? Hello? Anybody? You heard about the Git or GitHub? Anybody? You heard about the Git or GitHub? All the developed program in the company, they can store the programs on the Git or GitHub. These are called as version control system. Okay. This Git is related to local system and GitHub is related to remote system. This is not your part, but for your understanding, this is the version control system. The Git is related to local system and GitHub is related to remote system. Okay, you start the developing the Android app. Okay, don't take any tension. Okay, in the relax mode, you form your group. Your group have maximum 4 members. You have the total 3 or I think 4 months in your hand. Okay, at the time of submission, I want one Android app. Okay, you can use the Android Studio, and in the backend, you can use the Java language, Python, C#, JavaScript. Okay, depend on you. This is your choice. And during the semester, during the submission, you can show me the app. Got it? You have any question? No question. Yes, all of you understood. Okay, if you have any question, please ask the question. Okay, without taking any tension. Okay, you start the developing one Android app. You search on the internet. Okay, you saw some videos on the YouTube. How will develop the Android app? What are the requirements? What is the Android Studio? Okay, how will download the Android Studio? How will install the Android Studio? All these things are available on the YouTube. Okay, you can search on the YouTube. You can install the Android Studio on your computer or laptop. Okay, and you can start the developing the one Android app. Okay, and this is your site. You can develop this Android app related to banking. You want to develop some games. Okay, there is no restriction. What type of Android app I require? There is no restriction. Depend on you. Okay, you can develop one game app, or you develop one another payment system app. This is your hand. You can search on the internet, check how many apps are theirs. Okay, how many are remaining. You want to in your mind have the different idea. You have some innovative idea. You can implement and develop one app. Okay, there is no restriction which type of app is required. Okay, but I want only one app from this particular group. That's it. Okay, the first unit will start in the next lecture. If anybody have the question? Okay, actual syllabus will start in the next lecture. Okay, anybody have any question?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we'll stop here. Okay, bye. Thank you.